Hi, I'm Jonathan Beck, Technical Program Manager at Unified Cloud. This video series is a Level 200 series to help you use CloudRecon. For introductory level material, please refer to the introduction videos. In this video, we will cover the TCO, or the Total Cost of Ownership report, and the different customization parts. The TCO report is a 5-year comparison of the on-premise and Azure 2B costs. The report will show you different views of the 5-year comparison. The first two graphs show you the visual representation of the cost of on-premise versus Azure 2B cost. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see the table of detailed breakdown of the total cost. You can expand these plus signs and it will show you the individual costs for transparency. For Azure 2B costs, are costs from the lift and shift costs expanded to an yearly price. You can customize these costs with the different pricing models and whether you want to use platform as a service costs. You can change these by selecting the different pricing models up at the top with the pay-as-you-go, 1-year reserved, pay-as-you-go plus SA, or pay-as-you-go with MLS all the way to 3-year reserved to 3-year reserved with SA, or 3-year reserved with MLS. You can look at the PaaS cost by selecting this radio button on the left. When you select the PaaS option, you'll get more drop-downs that you can choose from. This you can see is DTU, vCore, and Managed Instance Prices, along with the pricing model for all of them. Pay-as-you-go plus SA, pay-as-you-go plus MLS. The on-premise costs are a bit different. These numbers were taken from assumptions from the Azure TCO calculator. These assumptions are based off of industry averages in the United States. These numbers will vary for specific organizations. You can change these numbers by going into the Assumptions tab. These numbers are broken up depending on specific configurations of the machines. As you can see, the costs are broken down to include all varieties of machines. Here you have 1 proc machine with 1 core, 1 RAM, 2 proc machine, 2 core, 8 GB of RAM. If these numbers are not available, you can always reach out to us at Unified Cloud and give us specific all-up costs, and we'll be able to incorporate these costs into the portal. Or if you want to do it yourself, you can download the Excel sheet using this button and make different changes on the on-premise numbers in the Excel file. The TCO report also shows you the migration cost of a lift and shift scenario. These numbers are again based off of industry standards in the United States. From our experience, customers have indicated that these were fairly accurate. If you'd like to work with us for migration, we see these numbers as a worst case scenario. Our engagements that involve migration and migration costs come below these numbers. Again, because these are assumptions, you can make changes to these too. You can go to the Assumptions tab, go to the Migration section, and here you can change the assumptions for a migration effort. Lastly, you can look at the different tabs here, and these will show you graphs for the benefits of migrating over to Azure, and the Cash Flow tab will show you the cash flow of migrating over to Azure using the benefits you realize when you migrate over to Azure. This will be the end of this video. In this video, we have covered the total cost of ownership reports, and all the other videos will cover the remaining aspects of CloudRecon.